Hi everybody, in this video we are going to set the reset ceiling. In other words, if the ball flies vertically off the screen, we are going to reset it. After that, we are going to make it so that the ball bounces a little bit before it resets when it hits the ground. So let's get started, shall we? We are going to add another if clause. If y is smaller than 0, and let's just copy this and let's see if it works. Yep, it works. That was super easy, wasn't it? Okay, next we want the ball to bounce a little before it resets. So in the case that it hits the ground, we don't want it to reset straight away. We want to give it a little bit of time to bounce. Let's add another variable called count. And we're going to initialize it to 0. So let's say that if y is greater than 420, instead of resetting, let's add 1 to the counter. And then if the counter exceeds a certain amount, like let's say 100, only then do we reload the current scene. When we fill in a condition, we don't usually use the regular equal sign. We have to use a double equal sign. This will return true if both values are equal, and it will return false if they are not equal. In Godot, we have the following comparison operators. We have smaller than, greater than, equals, is not equal, greater than or equal to, and smaller than or equal to. So if count is equal to 100, then reset the whole scene. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it works. If anything, it's bouncing for a bit too long now. So let's tweak it a little bit. Let's see what it's like when I set that to 50. There's more than one way to do this, so if you didn't do it using a counter, but you did it in another way which works, good for you. There's no rule that says that this is the only way we should do things. It just seemed the most straightforward way for us to do it right now. In the next lesson, we are going to add a button, and we're going to link a script to the button so that when we push the button, the robot will shoot the ball. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.